Okay, today's learning target is I can explain what it means to say that a figure has flipped or reflectional symmetry and how each point is related to its image under transformation by reflection in a line. Okay, that's what we're going to be looking at today. Okay, so follow along with your notes. Symmetry is one of the most important and appealing features of a shape. Okay, artists use symmetry to make designs that are pleasing to the eye. Architects use symmetry to make buildings balance. Symmetry is also found in structure of animals, plants, and everyday objects. So if you look a butterfly, that's why I'm a butterfly at the beginning. A butterfly is symmetrical. The wings, this would be the center, and then the wings on the right side of the body match the wings on the left side of the body. And also with this building, it is not balanced, like it's standing on one foot balanced, but it's balanced in that I could cut this in two or fold it in two, and it would be identical on top of one another. The wallpaper design has transitional symmetry. You can make the wallpaper design by translating or sliding a basic design element several times in a certain distance and direction to make the images. So this wallpaper, if you notice, if I took the center um, boat right here, and if it didn't flip or anything, it just kind of slid up, and it's the same, right? It's the same shape, same size, everything. I slid it diagonally, and here it is diagonally down, down to the left, both sides, right? So it is a transitional symmetry. So just transitions or translating, which is sliding. Okay, so those two words go together. Okay, the butterfly image has a line or a reflectional symmetry. Okay, you can make the design of your own with reflectory symmetry. Begin by drawing a basic design element and a line of symmetry, then fold along the lines or use tracing paper to locate the mirror images of the key points. And I will show you an example of that in just a moment. We're actually going to draw some stuff and we kind of look at it. Okay. The geometric operation of or the transformation. So this is all transformations. Okay. That flip a figure and matches each point to an image is called the line of reflection. So it's like looking in a mirror, your reflection. Okay. To identify the image of point P, you can use prime notation. So it's P with this little mark. Okay. And you can read that as P prime. And so that would be a different part. Okay. So this is what we're going to do. So on your paper, you actually have a empty coordinate grid that you're going to draw points A, B, C, D, E. And we're going to look at that in just a moment. So here I have A, B, C, D, E, this pentagon, right? And then my M, which is my line of reflection, and it is reflecting over into this coordinate. So I have A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime, and E prime. So if you notice the distance that point B is from the line of symmetry is exactly the same as B prime from my line of symmetry. So if I were to fold this right along this line, the red pentagon will actually go right on top of or match up with the blue pentagon. Okay, so then here are the questions that we're going to ask. So we drew this pentagon, okay, and if I measure the angles and the lengths and the angles, I can see how the line of reflection is related to each segment. Okay, so if I go back and I look at this, and I measure this from A prime to B prime, it's going to be the exact same as A to B. And if I measure B prime to C prime, again, it'll be exactly the same. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to practice. Okay.